Hi everybody, this is Susan DeBay with Susan DeBay Jewelry and Leather. I have leather products now too. I'm adding to my line, and I just wanted to show you a couple of the wallets that I've done. I've already have sold some, and I've given some away too. This is the latest one I did. It's a really nice wallet. You can really stuff it with a lot of different cards. I think I've got like 4 cards in there in just the one slot. So, and then you've got stuff, you can stuff it over here too. Plus it's got 2 hidden pockets right here too. See there? Then it's got a really nice suede cash holder. And it's all for all different denominations too, as far as international money and all that goes. It's really nice. Very soft. It's kind of like a little pillow. It also is very thin. If you can see it right here, I can measure it completely, well, not completely full, but just depends on how many cards you want to put into it. It's about a ½ an inch right now. But it's nice and skinny. Very nice. So there's one. So I'll take everything out of this one. And then I also have one, it's like this. Kind of a vertical wallet. You open it up. Cards go on one side. And you can easily look and see what cards you have for whichever one you need. Then you just, pull that out. And then on this one, on this side here, you just put your money in there. And it folds up really nice. That one, probably a little less than a ½ an inch. So it's not going to throw your back out. But, anyway, I thought I'd show you what I have. And this one here is really soft leather. It's also been lined with deer skin. So I don't know how much I'd charge. Probably like $69 maybe. And on this one's got more things in it. It's got 4 different card holders, 2 hidden pockets, and a cash holder. And I want you guys to know too that the leather that I use here, it's not that little cheap stuff. It's not the real thin leather that you go through your wallets really fast. A lot of the wallets that are being made out there are really thin. Well, what I do when I assemble this and completely make it, it's all handmade, is I skive around the edges here, meaning I thin it out so it's not really thick. But the rest of the wallet is really nice, and it's got nice thick leather on it. It's probably like at least 1 millimeter. It's really nice leather. It's all not hand stitched, but stitched right here, just to finish it off, give it a nice finish. Okay. And this one here, like I said, has been lined with deer skin. Should last a lifetime. I also use bonded nylon thread. This is number 138, so it's really nice and thick and heavy thread. So it should last you for a very, very long time. Very nice and sturdy. These here I've made all lined with very nice soft suede. It's ostrich print on it. Very nice. High grade, top grade leather on that. And then you could say that this one here is a little baby to this one. See there? It fits right in there. So you could put your cash or even your cell phone in here. And also I do the artwork in the top here. That's all my artwork. It's got a nice liner here of deer skin right here with the artwork over the top of the deer skin. It's got a nice little finish here. It's all leather, beautiful leather. Very nice and soft. And then I did a heart on the front and some Swarovski crystal studs on the front of it too. So anyway, you could put your cards in here, your cash in here, or you could put your cell phone. But anyway, very nice. I'm selling these for $29, and I'm selling this is my highest priced little clutch here, and that is $76. But if you see it and you touch it and you feel it and you smell it, that smells like real leather, not that vinyl stuff you see all the time in the stores. So then the rest of these, this one here is a nice pretty pink one, and it is lined with suede right here. Very nice soft suede. And then this one here is the pink one. It goes along with it. You could buy them separately too, but I'm just saying, you know, they fit, they kind of nest into each other, and very nicely put together. All handmade, guys, all handmade. See, they all match. Then some of these are designer leathers. This one here is a designer leather. Very nice, very soft on the inside. Beautiful. Kind of like a teal colored snakeskin or something like that. Anyway, and then I have this one here. This has been also lined with very nice soft suede. It's a tiger print. Very nice. These also measure, let's see, these are 5 by 3.5. 5 by 3.5 on this. And this is about 7.5 by 4.5 inches tall. So they're nice. They're a really nice size, and like I said, it does fit your cell phone and all that. I also have another blue one here, and some of these you can intermingle, like this one, or this one, or this one. They could all go together. This one, I tell you, this one is my absolute favorite because it has it's just a really nice, beautiful blue. Soft leather, has this feature on it. Very nice. It's really nice soft leather. And so anyway, so there you go. I've got men's wallets here, woo-woo, and ladies' wallets. You could also use it for a clutch if you wanted to. I'm also going to be making some wristlet clutches, so you can carry it around, like if you go to the mall or go to Las Vegas and you don't want to tote around a big heavy purse, then you can put it on your wrist and pack it like that, so you'd always have your cell phone and your money with you. Okay, all right guys, Susan DeBay Jewelry and Leather signing off. God bless you guys.